Bueno, Gabon danoi. Haupa, xaxau, haupa txapa, eta magoiaz, Azkaiter Pelos, ontsen, online, Hasiera da hau Ahorain hemen edo zer gauza aldagertau Justo hemen txe Azita maitzen da dena Azein politxa dan ulertzea Abesten ez dena Edo zer gauza aldagertau Justo hemen txe Hasita maitzen da dena Azein politxa dan ulertzea Abesten ez dena Base! Haupa, Xaxau konpartxa, zuzenian, online, Xaxau, YouTubeko kanaletik, Azkaiter Pelos, Revolution. Eta bueno, jaixak online itxen baldin bau, venga, ronda hau nik etaratzen dut. Segi frigorifikoa eta zerbezatxo batzuk. Urrengo abestixan, Shane Curley, the star of the County Down.
Town in the county down one morning last July. Down the pouring green came a fair Colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. She looked so sweet from her to their feet to the sheen of her nut brown hair. The coaxing effort to shook myself, but to see I was really there. From Bantry Bay to Derry Gay, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I've seen with the fair Colleen of a man in the county down. we onward sped, well I shook my head and I looked with a feeling rare. And I says I to a passerby who's the maid with the nut brown hair. He smiled at me and he says he, that's the jewel of Ireland's crown. Rosie McCann from the banks of the Bann, she's the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay to Derry Gay, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I'd see at the Bergally that I made in the county down. Fair, she was surely there, and I'll dress in my Sunday clothes, with my shoes and bran and my Hancock rad for a smile from the nut brown rose. No pipe I'll smoke, no horse I'll yoke, till the plough is rust-coloured brown. With a smiling bar by my own fireside, it's the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Bay, from Galway to Dublin town. No maid I'd see like the Grand Collie that I made in the county down. That I met in the county down.
I met my love by the gasworks wall. Train the train by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Clouds are drifting on the moon. Cats are prowling on the beat. Springs a girl from the street at night. Come on! Dirty old town, dirty old town. Spring. York's wall. Dream the dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the streets at night. Dirty old town, 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 yeah, baby, that's dirty old town, yeah.
Bueno, a ver, xaxautik esaten dabe, txotnetako katxi neurribiko beste zerbeza bat hartzeko, ze frigorifikotik, Bueno, oin baladatxoa bota bio, Black is the Color dauka izena, eta
Irlandakoa da.
Irlandakoa?
Eskoziako
Eskoziakoa.
kanpora, mesede.
Kanpora, Scottish, fuck Scottish, Irish.
Igual Eskoziakoa da, bai.
Bueno,
Total.
Irish, Scottish.
Berdin jagu.
Hemen antzera gabiz, bai, Euskal Herrikoa da, gane, Espainiakoa, naztuta gare, oin.
Ups.
Tropikala.
Black is the color of my true love's hair. Her lips are like some roses fair. She's the sweetest smile and the gentlest hand. I love the ground whereon she stands. I love my love, and well she knows. I love the ground whereon she goes. I wish the day it soon would come when she and I would be as one. I go to the Clyde and Marnock for satisfied I never shall be. I write her a letter, just a few short lines, answer for death 1,000 times. Black is the color of my true love's hair. Her lips are like some roses fair. She's the sweetest smile and the gentlest hands. I love the ground whereon she stands. Yes, I love the ground whereon she stands.
txalo horrek entzuten gabiz, ja, entzuten gabiz, uinetatik, txaluak,
Mundu guzti etxean.
Bueno,
Flipatzen.
eta viajatzen. Bateki aldatu dugu kanala eta jarri dugu kanal de viajes, a ver, Irlanda, nora jongo, a ver.
Urdun eskara jungo aurten.
Zelan die, the Cliffs of Mohen. The Cliffs of Ireland are great,
Yeah, it's nice.
Bueno, eta onja, Eskozian baldin bagenden, onja bagoiaz Irlandara.
Eskozia ez dakit.
Bueno, eta oine Azkaiter pelos badakizue, bueno, gu martxuan itzen dugu gira Irlandar musikakin, bueno, gure abesti originalak eta Irlandako musikak nahazten ditugu, eta, bueno, aurten kontzertu asko suspendidu dugu, bueno, bat Tolosan, eta suspendidu baino nahi xau dugu atzeratu, baina ia ikusten dugu larrixa dela asuntua, eta igual urrengo temporada izango da, joten dugunerako, eta, bueno, pues hau musikari danai dedikauta, pues urrengo abestixak. etxetik, venga, batzen, bat, bi, hiru, lau! Bueno, saxofoia joten, Bitxor Giral! Bueno, eta biolin elektrikoekin gaur, Jon Prieto! Bueno, Shane Curley, gitarra akustikoan abesten. Bueno, eta bajuan, Aitzol Mujika. Venga, va! Bueno, la perkusioa joten atzian, Aitor Aramburu.
Eta hemen abesten eta gitarria joten, Unai Azkarate.
Soinuan, Iñigo Herreros eta David Peñalba, eskerrik asko, bitxen dozuen lan danagaitxik. Eskerrak bihotzez, R-Sound, eta Xaxauko ekipo tekniko danak, Unai, da Josu, da Elorzatarrak, eta, bueno, zabizten danak, la kupula, hau pasuek, yeah! Wow! Azkaiter pelos!